5-port 10/100 fast Ethernet ports. Plug-and-play installation. 802.1p quality of service support for superior traffic prioritization. High reliability with rugged metal case. Fast Ethernet solution for SOHO, small and medium businesses. Auto 1501, MDIX crossover for all ports. Store and forward switching scheme. Full, half duplex for Ethernet, fast Ethernet speeds. IEEE 802.3x flow control. Dlink Green eco-friendly power design. Top reviews from the United States. Small, easy to install, works great. I have only had this in for a couple of weeks, but so far everything is great. I just needed a few more Ethernet ports, and this did the trick pretty inexpensively. It was easy to mount, just plugged in a patch cord from my modem to one of the ports, plugged devices into two of the other ports, tuned it on and they were talking. The speed looks good. I like it.